Okay, hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to separate the Discord audio, not your own Discord audio, the friends, the people you hear, and your mic audio and your desktop audio or like your game. So first you're gonna have to install Voice Emitter Banana. I'm not gonna show because that's kind of simple. I can put a link in the description or something. But yeah, once you open it, you're gonna make sure that this stuff looks the same. I don't think you should mess with this stuff. You could, but I'm not responsible if any crap happens. But so you go to A1 and you select your headphones. This is what I have, so that's what I use. Then you're gonna go to menu and you're gonna turn this on and this on. And I think, yeah, you can rename it by right-clicking here if you want. But so this is gonna be the Discord and this is gonna be everything else. And if you turn this off or this, one of those two, you shouldn't be able to hear your friends. And you shouldn't be able to hear your game if you turn this off. But so now we did that. And now, you're gonna go in Discord settings. You're gonna go to voice and video. And here you're gonna have to set it to voice mirror input, not voice mirror aux input. And then you're gonna go to audio settings. You're gonna go here. And you're gonna set this as the standard. This means the game audio, Chrome, basically everything except Discord. It's like gonna have this. And all this audio is still gonna go to your headphones. Like you're still gonna be able to hear your friends. So you're not gonna need like any extra physical cables. It's all just virtual. But so now we got this. Now for the OBS settings. So, okay, first make sure it looks like this. I use Woo mic device. You can set your microphone to whatever you're using. Then you're gonna go to output. I'm not sure, but I think you need to set this to advanced. And I don't think this stuff really matters, but actually the output format, I don't think all of them supports different audio tracks, so I use Mo because that supports it. I'm not sure which one doesn't support it, but I'm using this. You can set you can take the first one if you want. That's so you can have all the audio on one track, like Discord, your mic, and the game. But you have to turn 2, 3, and 4 on. You can just turn this can just stay off. And then you're gonna go here, and this is where you can name stuff. So I already named this one everything. I set it to 192. Okay, I'm not. Wait, I just gotta check something. Okay, let's go back. So you can name this game because this is your game, mic because this is your mic, others because this is others. And I don't think Discord can have a high bitrate than 96, so I cannot set it to that. And the fifth one, I'm not sure what this is. Like it says Discord, but I don't I don't really know what that does. You can just leave this empty if you want. When I found this out, I was basically doing it all on my own. I was like experimenting for hours and hours, and it was a lot of torture. And I must just put it in here for some reason. But yeah, that's me. I go through the worst to bring you the best. Okay, but now, okay, I did it a bit fast, but you click on one of these cogs. It doesn't matter which one, but just do that, and you go to advanced audio settings. Okay, this is your desktop audio, or it's like your game, music and stuff. Actually, wait, let's do this a bit quick. So you go here, you turn all this on. This is gonna be everything. And this is your desktop audio, so you're gonna set this to the second one. Only. Nothing else can be here. And this is your mic, obviously. You're gonna set it to third. And this is desktop audio 2. This is your Discord. Like your friends, not your audio. Your mic is not gonna be there. This is your mic. You're set out to the fourth. And if you did all that stuff, you can do a test recording. Well, actually, first you need to restart your computer for voice meter to work, I think. But then you do a test recording, and you should see 3 tracks. And this is a game, so yep, that's the game audio only. This is the mic. Yeah, I've been talking the whole time, and you were like, why are they ignoring me? Okay. And this is the Discord audio.
Yeah, basically.
Oh jeez, that was loud.
I guess this is my life now.
But yeah, so I think that might be the easiest tutorial to do this ever, actually. So, 3 minutes, that's really easy, but yeah, if there's any question, you can ask me in the comments, and bye, please subscribe, because I deserve it after this. And bye again.